Take this to like the second worst idea you've ever had.
Dude, I feel like Pennywise is down here. Here, let me see. What is up, guys? Welcome back to Depths of History. I'm with my friend Matt Jackson. We just hiked a long way to get here. This is an abandoned textile mill from 1893, and man, I already know there's some crazy stories that went on here back in the past. I mean, this place is crazy. If you just look around, there's brick everywhere, boiling rooms where they used to make the cotton, make the shirts, and guys, the ground is literally caving in right here. I mean, there's a well over to the right of me, and I'm actually gonna go in it, so wish us luck. We have no idea what we're gonna find, but I can tell you this, man, we're gonna see some cool stuff going on. I know we already are. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the video. Like and subscribe, and I'm gonna go jump in this well behind here. So
Let's go, guys.
Let's go. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna go in this well, try to see if I can see anything. So wish me luck, man.
Yeah, don't try this at home, guys.
This is probably not a good idea.
Dude, please be careful.
I think I should be fine. Oh man, the ladder's like...
Take this to like the second worst idea you've ever had.
Dude, I feel like Pennywise is down here. Here, let me see. So there's where the boilers are underneath here. This is really bad. Probably one of the worst ideas I've had in a while. I can't see anything in the water. But yeah, guys, this is crazy. So, I mean, let's keep going, see if we can see anything else. But these are the boilers down there.
You're in a sketchy place, you can do sketchy things, right?
Here.
By the way, don't suggest trying this at home.
Oh my gosh. This is such a stupid idea. That ladder's literally about to break.
I mean, it's over 100 years old. So, this place is huge. It sits on 117 acres. It is 5 stories tall, I think. So we got a lot of exploring to do.
I've never been in here, which is crazy, but I mean, it's gonna be a really fun time. I think we're gonna see some really cool historical structures in here and maybe even see some paranormal stuff. You guys be the judge of that, so.
Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna get crazy.
It's gonna get crazy.
Let's go.
Let's go. Holy cow. Look at all the brick on the floor. Oh my goodness. This place just gives me chills. The amount of history that is here, guys, is absolutely crazy. I mean, this place is literally like, it's got rotten floorboards and boarded up walls. It's an old electrical box. There's already water leaking through the ceilings. Wow. Absolutely amazing. And guys, other people have been here and just completely destroyed the place. Here's a piece off of one of the doors. It's pretty trashed in here. There's a shelf, a bunch of stuff. Wow. Look at this place, man. I mean, this is like a place out of a movie. It's just crazy to be able to actually experience this. does give you a little bit of an eerie feeling, but overall, I mean, this place is really, really cool. Let's go back and see what Matt's doing. Hello.
Dude, it's cold and
It is cold. It's cold in here, man. I don't know about that.
You guys see anything?
Oh my goodness, what's in here? Oh my God, dude, this place looks. I don't know how I feel about that. Hey guys, I would say we would metal detect here, but with all this trash and debris everywhere, I don't think it'd be good.
Here's the main entrance to the plant right here. Could you imagine all these workers? They said they had 230 employees come across that catwalk into a building. Here you go.
The keychain ring. Someone busted this door open. I guess this door used to be blocking it.
Here you go.
Oh my gosh. I mean, this place is crazy. And take a look at all this history. I mean, this is just insane. I mean, this place is crazy. Look like they're caving in. There's literally holes. There's literally, do you see that? There's literally holes inside of the stairwell. So there's a beehive right up there. But look at this view, guys. I mean, this is crazy. Here's the second column. Wow. I mean, there's just so much space in here. It's missing a stair right there. This is probably not safe at all. Holy cow. I mean, they obliterated this place. It's pretty destroyed. Holy cow. Look at all this. I mean, guys, I know you guys appreciate history like I do, but this is, it's amazing. So, let's keep going up. This is crazy. You guys see how far of a drop that is? I'm gonna go back down and check on Matt. I hope he's all right. What a view. I went to the top.
All the way.
Yeah. The boards are like cracked. Like the floorboards are cracked. Yeah.
That's the night road.
Yeah. What about this?
It just goes to the basement. Where we just came from.
This is crazy. Oh, these are like the stalls. So they're right here.
Stalls in there.
Yeah. I know. They're everywhere. There's the entrance.
Walk out the entrance.
Yeah.
Alright, go big dog.
That's amazing. Literally, guys, I mean, such an amazing place to explore. I want to thank Matt Jackson for telling me about this, man. This place is absolutely crazy.
But hey, the struggle real. I did though, no lie. You can ask Dave.
Yeah, he did go to the top of the roof one time. It was pretty crazy. But guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up and subscribe. Also subscribe to Matt Jackson. I'll leave his channel linked in the description below. We saw some crazy, creepy stuff while we were visiting this abandoned textile mill, so I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck, and we'll see you next time.